Then see what he says to Will. Now you go and get me my hammer, Will. He would shout. He would shout at Will and ask loudly and say, Will, bring me my hammer. And you bring me that rule, Tom. So for ruler he wanted, and he will order Tom to get the ruler. And I shall want the step ladder. Step ladder means portable ladder with steps. So on which he will step up and will make a hole onto the wall for hanging the picture. And I had better have a dining room chair too. Now he wanted to get the height, correct height. So he wanted a dining room chair also. And Jim, you run down to Mr. Goggles and tell him, pass kind regards and hope his leg's better. Will he lend him his spirit level? So he would send Jim to Mr. Goggles and he for asking him a spirit level. Spirit level is a glass tumbler filled with liquid. It shows correct horizontal distance. And don't you go Maria, because I shall want somebody to hold me the light. Now he will involve Maria also and he want her to show him the light. And when the girl comes back, she must go out again for a bit of picture card. Now he hasn't told the girl what things he needed at once. So when she will, okay, so he hasn't told the girl what to do. So he told her to go out again and bring the picture cord, a string with which the picture should be hung. And then he will call Tom and he will again call for Tom. Tom, where is Tom? Come here. Then he wanted Tom to help him and hand a picture. And what happens? He would try to do the work, but instead of what? He will make a mess. And see what happens next. So he has involved each and everybody whoever was present as his assistants, and he was shouting them at them and he was calling them for doing different works. Now let's see what happens. And then he would lift up the picture and drop it and it would come out of the frame. He would try to save the glass and cut himself, and then he would spring round the room looking for his handkerchief. Then he would lift up the picture and drop it and it would come out of the frame. So that means when he will try to hang the picture or lift the picture, somehow the picture will slip from his hands and the frame will be broken and the picture will come out. Then he will try to save the glass. So he will try, okay, picture came out, no problem, glass should not be broken. But as a result, what happens? Instead of saving the glass, he cuts his finger from the glass. And then he would jump up and down through the room in pain. And what he wants? He will look for a handkerchief so that he can tie it on his wound and stop the flow of blood. But he could not find his handkerchief. Why? Because it was in the pocket of the coat which he had taken off. So he didn't know. So what happens? Now he forgot the coat, where he has put the coat. And ultimately he will make the full house reckless. And he would shout at everyone and make everyone go and look for his coat. And meanwhile he will do? He will jump around the house in pain, and here and there he will be bounced with the tools and everything. And he will shout. So this is what written in this paragraph. What it is written? He would lift the picture and drop it and it would come out of the frame, and he would try to save the glass and cut himself, and he would spring round the room looking for his handkerchief. He could not find his handkerchief because it was in the pocket of the coat he has taken off. Now he has already taken off the coat and he put his handkerchief in the pocket. Now after putting the coat, he forgot where is the coat. So he is a very forgetful character. Okay. And messy too. and he will scatter everything, whatever the things are here and there. Then he will start shouting, "Doesn't anybody in the whole house know where my coat is? I never came across such a set in my life. Upon a word, I didn't. 6 of you, and you cannot find a coat that I put down not in 5 minutes ago? Well, all of the," he will say. So he will shout at each and everybody that six of the total people are here, including all the children, and I never came across such persons in my life who cannot find a simple coat. Then he would get up and find that he had been sitting on it. Now look, see how anybody will find if you are sitting on a coat. So at last, where we find the coat over on which Uncle Podger had been sitting, and he would call out, "Oh, you can give it up. I have found myself. Now might just as well as ask the cat to find anything as expect you people to find it." So now he will, after he found out that he was sitting on the coat himself, he would say that cat is speaking to you is like speaking to the cat. So half an hour will pass like this on shouting and finding the coat. Now let's see what happens. And when half an hour had been spent in tying up his finger, and a new glass has been got, and the tools and the ladder and the chair and the candle had been brought, he would have another go. The whole family, including the girl and the charwoman, standing around in a semicircle ready to help. 2 people who would have to hold the chair, and a third would help him on it and hold him there, and a fourth would hand him a nail, fifth would pass him up the hammer, and he would take hold of the nail and drop it. Now see, first he dropped the picture. Now what he did, he involved the full house once again, and at that time what happened, he included everybody, and he stood on the chair, holded the nail, and what happened, this time the nail fall down. There he would say in an injured tone, "Now the nail's gone." Now what he will say, in an injured tone, "Oh, now the nail is gone." He made a complete mess and blamed everybody for that. And again he wanted to hang the picture on the wall, but what happened, it is like forever. One time he is doing one thing, one time he is doing another thing, and he is yelling at the people. Then after this long chaos and commotion, let's see what happens next.